maths class and today we'll do addition. Addition means to putting things together, चीज़ों को जोड़ना. Nishant and Leena are friends. They are fond of collecting stamps of different countries. So Nishant says, I have collected 590 stamps, and Leena said, I have collected 690 stamps. Let us find the total number of stamps of both. So they have, अगर दोनों को ऐड कर दे 590 and 690 will get 1280. तो टोटल स्टैम्प्स दोनों के पास हो जाएंगी 1280. Let's revise. Add the following. Start adding from 1. 6 plus 2 8 and 2 10 0 1 carry over. 2 plus 1 3 and 1 4 and 5. 4 4 8 and 3 11 1 carry over. 5 2 7 8 9 and 1 10. Next is fill in the blanks. 615 plus 0, that is equals to 615. Next, addition of 5-digit and 6-digit number. So addition of 5 and 6-digit number is same as we have done earlier, like 3 and 4-digit number. उसी तरीके से होगा. First, addition without carryover. Example लेते हैं. We have to add 35,323 and 24,516. So we'll arrange the number vertically इस तरीके से column wise हम arrange कर देंगे. Now start adding from the ones. 6 plus 3 9, 2 plus 1 3, 5 plus 3 8, 5 plus 4 9, 3 plus 2 5. So 59,839. So whenever we add the number, one thing we have to keep in mind, always add ones to ones, tens to tens, hundred to hundreds and so on. Clear? Next is evolution time 2.1. Add the following. Start from the ones. 5 plus 3 8, 4 plus 2 6, 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 2 6. Clear? So इसी तरीके से आपको बाकी सारे क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करने हैं. नेक्स्ट एड द फॉलोइंग. अगेन 1 से स्टार्ट करेंगे. 4 प्लस 2 6, 6 प्लस 3 9, 6 प्लस 2 8, 3 प्लस 1 4, 4 प्लस 2 6, 2 प्लस 1 3. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट एडिशन विथ कैरी ओवर. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. वी हैव टू एड 53,579 एंड 34,847. So we'll arrange the number in columns. Start adding from the ones. 9 plus 7, that is 16. 16 ones, that is equals to 10 ones plus 6 ones. So हम इसको arrange करेंगे, rearrange. That is equals to 110 plus 6 ones. तो 6 तो ones के नीचे आ जाएगा and 110 जो है वो carry over हो जाएगा tens के ऊपर. Like here. Then 7 plus 4, that is 11 और 1 carry over का add करेंगे 12. So 12 tens. ये total हो जाएंगे 12 tens. 12 tens, that is equals to 10 tens plus 2 tens. That is equals to 100 plus 2 tens. तो हम 2 को तो लिखेंगे tens के कॉलम के नीचे and 100 जो है उसको कैरी ओवर करेंगे 100 की कॉलम पे. Then we'll add the 100. 5 plus 8 plus 1, that is 14. 4 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, 1 कैरी ओवर हो जाएगा. 4 plus 3 7 and 1 8. 5 plus 3 8. Clear? Next, evolution time 2.2. Add the following. Start adding from ones. 8 plus 5 13, 3, 1 carry over, 6 plus 2 8 and 1 9, 5 plus 4 9, 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 2 5. Clear? So इसी तरीके से आप बाकी सारे नंबर्स ऐड करेंगे. नेक्स्ट एड द फॉलोइंग. 8 plus 4, that is 12, 2, 1 कैरी ओवर हो जाएगा. 6 plus 1 7, 7 7 14, 4, 1 carry over, 14, 1 carry over, 13, 1 carry over, 4, 3. Clear? Add the following in columns. So numbers are given, we have to arrange them in column. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So we'll arrange the number 28,567, 3,000, 31,876 and 41,769. add them together. 9 plus 7, 16, 22. 2 carry over. 6, 6, 12, 12, 21. 2 carry over. 8 plus 7, 15, 15, 5, 20 and 2, 22. 2 carry over. 8 plus 1, 9 and 1, 10 and 2, 12. 1 carry over. 3 to 5, if 3 plus 2, 5 and 1, 6, 6 and 4, 10. So ये हमारा सम हो जाएगा. इस तरीके से हमें करना है. Next is properties or fact of addition. So first property, that is order property of addition. The sum of two addendum does not change even if the order of addendum is changed. Means we can add two or more number in any order. The sum will remain same. Like these two numbers are given. If we add them like this, the sum is 78,389. Now we have changed the order. We have written 43,257 और उसमें हमने add किया 35,132. Again the sum is same. That shows the order property. Order property, that is also called the commutative property. In both the cases the sum is same. That proves the order property of addition. Clear? That means 35,132 plus 43,257 is same as 43,257 plus 35,132. Both the cases the sum will remain same. Property 2. That is the grouping property of addition. The sum of three or more number does not change even the grouping is changed. Let us consider the number 4,132 plus 3,512. इन दोनों के सम में हम ऐड कर रहे हैं 4,162. सो हमारा जो सम आ रहा है दैट इज 11,806. नाउ वी हैव चेंज द ग्रुपिंग. वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड दीज टू नंबर्स एंड जो सम आएगा उसमें 4,132 ऐड करेंगे. इन दिस केस ऑल्सो द सम इज सेम. So if we change the grouping, the sum will remain same. So grouping property of addition, that is also known as associative property. Property 3. Property of 0. The sum of the number and 0 is the number itself. किसी भी number में 0 ऐड करेंगे, sum क्या होगा? वही number. Next is evolution time 2.3. Fill in the blanks. 425 plus 319. That is same as 319 plus 425. That is according to the order property of addition. Next, add the following number in two ways and compare the result. So, इसमें हमें क्या करना है? इन दोनों नंबर को ऐड करना है. Nine, 4 and 1, 5, 11. Now हम ऑर्डर चेंज कर देंगे. But the sum will remain same. That prove the commutative property of order property of addition. Next, add the following number in two ways and compare the result. So what we'll do? First, we'll add these two numbers and जो भी हमारा sum आएगा उसमें हम जो third number है that is 72,341 वो add करेंगे. And then we change the grouping. We'll add these two numbers and the sum we'll get will add 2,344 to it. We'll see in both the cases the sum is same. Next is addition of 1, 10, 100 and 1,000 to a number. Addition of 1. When we add 1 to a number, we get the number just after it, means successor of the given number. Like 7,233 plus 1, 7,234. Next number या हम successor कह सकते हैं. Next is addition of 10. When we add 10 to the number, the increase the value of digit in tens place by 1. जो टेंस की प्लेस की डिजिट होगी उसकी वैल्यू 1 इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. लाइक हियर 5,268 प्लस 10. सो टेंस की प्लेस पे यहाँ है 6, ये हो जाएगा 7. क्लियर? Next, addition of 100. So when we add 100 to number, the increase in the value of the digit at 100 place by 1. So 100 की place की जो digit है उसकी value 1 increase हो जाएगी. Like 6728 plus 100, that is equals to 6828. Next, addition of 1000. If we add 1000 to a number, we increase the value of digit at 1000 place by 1. Like here, 67,356 plus 1000, that gives 68,356. So जो 1000 की प्लेस पे डिजिट थी यहाँ 7 थी, अब यहाँ पे क्या हो गई 8, उसकी वैल्यू 1 इंक्रीज हो गई. नेक्स्ट इज एवोल्यूशन टाइम 2.4. fill in the blanks. 3627 plus 1. If we add 1 to any number, we'll get its successor or just next number. Clear? Next, story problems. We'll take an example here. There are 66,658 bags of wheat, 28,630 bags of sugar, 79,570 bags of rice in the godown. How many total bags are there in the godown? So हम क्या करेंगे, wheat के bag, sugar के and rice तीनों को add कर देंगे. So ये आ जाएंगे हमारे total number of bags in the godown. Clear? Next is evolution time 2.5. Add the largest 5-digit number and smallest 4-digit number. So largest 5-digit number, that is 99,999, and smallest 4-digit number, that is 1000. So 1,09,999 ये हमें सम मिलेगा. So you have to practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is estimating the sum. So we have read the rules of rounding of the numbers. Rounding up हमने समझा था, nearest 10, 100 and 1000 etc. in the previous chapter. Now we will find the estimated sum. Example लेते हैं. Find the estimated sum of 3,752 and 6,945 to nearest tens. Also compare it with the actual sum. So actual sum हमने इन दोनों नंबर को ऐड किया, will get 10,697. That is the actual sum. Now estimated sum क्या हो जाएगा, अगर हम राउंड ऑफ करेंगे nearest tens पे, so 3,750 हो जाएगा and 6,950. We'll add them together, we'll get 10,700. This is the estimated sum and this is the actual sum. Next is evolution time 2.6. Find the estimated sum of the following to nearest tens. Also compare their sum with the actual sum. So actual sum अगर find out करें, so that will be this is the actual sum. Now we'll find out the estimated sum. Nearest tens पे करना है, so ये हो जाएगा 4,610 and 3,240. $7,850, but actually is 7,853, which are very close. Next, find the estimated sum of the following to nearest 100 and compare with the sum with the actual sum. तो इसी तरीके से हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले जो गिवन नंबर्स उसको ऐड कर देंगे एंड देन राउंड ऑफ करके नियरेस्ट 100 पे हम जो है उन्हें ऐड करेंगे. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, फाइंड द एस्टिमेटेड सम ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एंड नियरेस्ट 1000. ऑल्सो कंपेयर विद द सम ऑफ द एक्चुअल सम. सेम मेथड रहेगा, बस हमें यहाँ पे नियरेस्ट 1000 पे जो है नंबर्स को राउंड ऑफ करना है. नेक्स्ट इज लुक बैक. The number we get after the addition, that is called sum. The number to be added, that is called addition. The sum of two numbers does not change even if the order of additions is changed. The sum of the number and 0 is the number itself. The sum of three more numbers does not change whatever the grouping of the number. Next is mental zone. So यहाँ पे हमें नंबर गिवन है 5,28,541. That is same as, अगर हम इसमें so दोनों साइड जो है वो सेम हो जाएगा, इक्वल हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट इज मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. Take the correct option. The number that we add are called additants. So B is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope chapter आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. Now you to practice it.